Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties, the home of organic food. Today, guess what we are going to cook? Today I'm sharing with you how to prepare my leftover Roselle rice, and I'm going to use it as a fried rice, and I name it crab and mushroom fried rice. Crab and mushroom fried rice. This is the crab. Those are my ring onions. Everything is crunchy. That's what I like. And here we come. This is the finished product. Yes, it's so delicious, yummy, full of everything that you taste it. It will be nice. It will be good for this season because every day our fried rice is one way. So I brought it this one. Yes, with your crab and mushroom. As I've already said, we are making crab and mushroom fried rice. So this is my already washed, clean crab, and this is something I have stir fried in a pan with just a teaspoon of olive oil. So I want to add my onions, this is my garlic cube. This is garlic. This is how I store it, thanks to Sweet Ajele. Yes, I learned it from there. Formerly, I've been using polythene to do it. This is my cubed onion that I've done. I'm adding 3. And I also need my cubed ginger that I'm adding just 1. So those are going to be my seasoning. I'll add 1 seasoning cube to it. This is anise. I'll add a little. I have my bay leaf in here already. I'll add salt to taste. Adding a little water. So it's ready now after 10 minutes. I have an leftover Sobolo rice, Roselle rice, Zobo rice, or the other names for Roselle rice. So I have leftover rice, but when you are cooking the rice fresh, you can use this water to cook it. Because I have a leftover rice, I'm going to use it to prepare that fried rice. So we'll have to remove it from the fire. So this is what we are using for our fried Roselle rice. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. I have my circle onions here. I love designs. I have my shallots, then I have my green peas and my corn, another set of onions that I've sliced into pieces, my mushroom, my crab, my zobolo rice, and then my pumpkin. So these are the things I'm using. So first I'm going to put my shallot into the oil. Then I'll add my onions. I'll add my carrots. I'll then add my pumpkin. Adding my seasoning peas. I'm adding my Maggi aroma. Give it a stir. I'm adding a little of my anise. So this is my crab stock that consists of all the spices. I'm adding it, though it's a fried rice. I'll add it and stir it well so that everything will marry each other well. The aroma is killing some people over here. Smells good. What I'm doing next, I'm adding my corn. This corn, I didn't buy it. I made it myself because these days if you go to buy sweet corn, it's a whole lot of money. In Ghana, there's no money now. I don't know when the money will come. So I'm pouring it some. At this point, I'll add my mushroom. Give it a stir. And now, this is my zobo rice that I want to add. So remember, we are preparing crab and mushroom zobo fried rice, or sobolo fried rice, or Roselle fried rice. This is one of a kind, and it's very delicious. You know, Air Varieties is a home of organic food, and we are always looking for nutrients. So this is our fried rice, sobolo fried rice. At this point, I'm gonna add my green peas and the rest of my corn. Give it a stir again. Make sure that everything blends well. And again, I have my green bell pepper here. I wanted to use the yellow bell pepper and the red bell pepper, but we don't have it in my area. It's finished, so I'm gonna do without it. Still, it's looking beautiful. And at this point, I'm adding my circle onions. I want it to be crunchy. What's happening? How would I remove it now? It should be here. Black pepper. So I have my fried rice seasoning here that I also want to add. Just a little. Give it a quick stir again. You can imagine the aroma. I'm using the earthenware pan, and it's so amazing, so wonderful. And the last ingredient I'm going to add just a little of the soy sauce, just a little. Give it a stir again. So now I'm going to remove my crab and add it to it. I'm going to break it into two so that I can have it plenty. So give it a stir. So I'll now add my black pepper. Give it a quick stir. At this point, I'm frying the rice on a low heat. Crab and mushroom Roselle fried rice is ready. I wish you were here with me. I'm still serving it in leaves because I'm looking for that nutrient. Yes. The aroma is so great. So lovely, this is what we've gotten, and I hope you are going to try it. If you want the Roselle recipe, it is in one of my videos. You can go check how I prepared it so that you can start from the scratch and then use it as a fried rice. Yes, without meat, without chicken, without the many things, we can still eat our fried rice with our crabs. So lovely. See you in our next video. If you have not subscribed, please do that. And if you are our loyal subscribers, returning subscribers, thank you, and keep safe, and it's a bye.